Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today's topic is Geography Part 3. Today we are going to discuss about 50 most important geography questions and answers. Let's begin with question number 1. India shares highest border with which country? Answer: Bangladesh. India shares highest border with Bangladesh. 4096 kilometer border India shares with Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Question number 2. Bauxite is the ore of? Answer: aluminium. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Hematite and magnetite are the ore of iron. Next question. Sardar Sarovar is in the state of? Answer: Gujarat. Sardar Sarovar is in the state of Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The Statue of Unity built across the river Narmada is near Sardar Sarovar. Question number 4. Which state having the smallest land area? Answer: Goa. Goa having the smallest land area. The capital of Goa is Panaji. The least populous state in India is Sikkim. Next question. The active volcano of India is? Barren Island. The active volcano of India is Barren Island, which is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Next question. Lakshadweep situated in? Answer: Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep situated in Arabian Sea. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. The jurisdiction of Lakshadweep is under Kerala High Court. Question number 7. Which line divides India and China? Answer: McMahon Line. The McMahon Line divides India and China. The Redcliffe Line divides India and Pakistan. And the Park Straits divides India and Sri Lanka. Question number 8. Zojila Pass connects? Answer: Leh and Srinagar. The Zojila Pass connects between Leh and Srinagar. Next question. The oldest mountain range in India? Answer: Aravalli Range. Aravalli Range is the oldest mountain range in India. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak in Aravalli Range. Guru Shikhar is in Rajasthan. Question number 10. The biggest estuary created by which river? Answer: Narmada. Narmada river creates biggest estuary in India. Narmada is the west flowing river. The east flowing rivers in India creates deltas. Number 11. In which state Guru Shikhar peak is located? Answer: Rajasthan. The Guru Shikhar peak is in Rajasthan. Guru Shikhar peak is in the Aravalli Range. Question number 12. Tarapur nuclear power plant situated in? Answer: Maharashtra. Tarapur nuclear power plant is the oldest power plant in India, which is in Maharashtra. Question number 13. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? Answer: 8 states. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 5 minutes north, passes through 8 states. The 8 states are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram and Manipur. The 0 degree latitude is called as equator, and the 23 degree 0.5 minute north is called as Tropic of Cancer, and 23 degree 0.5 minute south called as Tropic of Capricorn, and 66 degree 0.5 degree north called as Tropic of Arctic, and the 66 degree 0.5 minute south called as Tropic of Antarctica. Question number 14. The northern part of the west coast known as? Answer: Konkan Coast. The northern part of the west coast is known as Konkan Coast. Konkan Coast lies between Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. The eastern coast is called as the Coromandel Coast. Next question. How many states shares border with Bhutan? Answer: 4 states. The 4 states shares border with Bhutan. These states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim and West Bengal. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. The capital of Assam is Dispur. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Question number 16. Which channel divides Andaman and Nicobar Island? Answer: 10 degree channel. The 10-degree channel divides Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. The 80-degree channel divides Lakshadweep and Maldives. Question number 17. The capital of Lakshadweep? Answer, Kavaratti. Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Question number 18. In India, how many states shares coastline? Answer, 9 states. In India, 9 states shares coastal line. These states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Odisha. Question number 19. The mine Goldfield, KGF and Hatti are in Karnataka. The mine goldfields like Kolar Goldfield and Hatti are in Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Question number 20. The southern tip of India is in? Answer, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The southern tip of India called as Indira Point is in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 21. The oldest inhabitants are considered to be? Answer, Negrotois. The Negrotois are the oldest inhabitants in India. Question number 22. The least populated state of India is? Answer, Sikkim. Sikkim is the least populated state in India. Question number 23. Which state is known as Rising Sun State? Answer, Arunachala Pradesh. Arunachala Pradesh is known as the Rising Sun State because Arunachala Pradesh is in eastern point. The eastern point of India is in Arunachala Pradesh. Question number 24. Chilka Lake region lies between the delta of? Answer, Mahanadi and Godavari. The Chilka Lake region lies between the deltas of Mahanadi and Godavari. Mahanadi and Godavari are the east flowing rivers. Question number 25. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Answer, Damodar River. The Damodar River is called as the Sorrow of Bengal. The Kosi River called as the Sorrow of Bihar. Question number 26. Tista is the tributary of? Answer, Brahmaputra. The river Tista is the tributary of Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra rises in near Manas Sarovar. Question number 27. In Bangladesh, Ganga river called as? Answer, Padma. In Bangladesh, the river Ganga called as the Padma. Question number 28. Jog Falls is in? Answer, Sharavati river. The Jog Fall, the highest fall in India, is in Sharavati river. The Jog Fall is in Karnataka. Question number 29. Paradeep port is in? Answer, Odisha. The Paradeep port is in Odisha. The only port of Odisha is the Paradeep port. It is the eastern port of India. Question number 30. The deepest landlocked protected port is? Answer, Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is the deepest landlocked protected port in India. Visakhapatnam is in Andhra Pradesh. Question number 31. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam built across the river? Answer, Krishna. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam built across the river Krishna. It is in Andhra Pradesh. Hirakudi Dam is built across the river Mahanadi. And Bakranangal Dam built across the river Sutlej. Question number 32. Which city is called as Pearl City? Answer, Hyderabad. The city Hyderabad is called as the Pearl City. Hyderabad is also called as the high-tech city. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Question number 33. Which city is called as the Silicon City? Answer, Bengaluru. The capital of Karnataka, Bengaluru, is called as the Silicon City. Karnataka is the leading producer of silk in India. Question number 34. Which state is called as mineral state? Answer, Jharkhand. The state Jharkhand is called as the mineral state. Jamshedpur steel plant are in Jharkhand and Zaria coal mine is also in Jharkhand. The Jharkhand is called as mineral state because it had many minerals like iron, bauxite, mica, etc. Question number 35. The leading producer of thorium? Answer, Kerala. Kerala is the leading producer of thorium. Thorium is used in nuclear power plant. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 36. The nuclear power plant Kudamkulam and Kalpakam are in answer Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu having the two nuclear power plants called Kudamkulam power plant and the Kalpakam nuclear power plant. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Question number 37. The wet hill forests are found in answer Nilagiri Hill. The wet hill forests are found near Nilagiri Hills. Nilagiri Hills divides eastern coast and western coast. Question number 38. The black soil is suitable for answer cotton production. Cotton production needs black soil. Alluvial soil is used for the production of rice. The Gujarat state is the leading producer of cotton in India. Question number 36. 39. Monsoon enters first into answer Kerala. The monsoon in the month of June enters into Kerala. The southwest monsoon enters into Kerala. Question number 40. The climate of India answer subtropical climate. The climate of India is called subtropical climate because of the Himalayan mountain. Question number 41. Wheat is a answer Rabi crop. Wheat, mustard are the Rabi crop. On the other hand, rice, maize, cotton, groundnut are the Kharif crop. Kharif crop are sown in the month of June and Rabi crop are sown in the month of October. There are three types of crop grown in India called Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Watermelon is the example for Zaid crop in India. Question number 42. Sundari trees are found in answer Sundarban Delta. The Sundari trees are found in Sundarban Delta. Because of Sundari trees, the name given to Sundarban Delta. Sundarban Delta created by the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra. It is in West Bengal. Question number 43. The Brahmaputra river originates from answer Manas Sarovar. Near Manas Sarovar in Tibet, the Brahmaputra river originates. Brahmaputra river is the biggest river in India. Ganga river is the longest river in India. Question number 44. The driest place in India. Answer Leh. Leh is the driest place in India. Next question. Idukki hydroelectric power plant at answer Kerala. The Idukki hydroelectric power plant is at Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 46. Which is known as black gold? Answer petroleum. Petroleum is called as the black gold. Next question. The food bowl of India. Answer Punjab. The state Punjab is called as the food bowl of India. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Question number 48. The Manas National Park is in answer Assam. The famous national parks like Manas National Park and Kaziranga National Park are in Assam. Kaziranga National Park is the inhabitant of one-horned rhinoceros. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Question number 49. New Mangaluru Port is in answer Karnataka. The New Mangaluru Port is in Karnataka. The last question, question number 50. Govindasagara Reservoir is on which river in Punjab? Answer Sutlej. The Govindasagara Reservoir is on the river of Sutlej in Punjab. These all about Geography Part 3. Please like and share our YouTube channel Young Minds GK.